Here's how to enjoy assisted driving with the Driving Assistant Plus in BMW models with BMW Operating System X. The optional Driving Assistant Plus assists you with the BMW Symbiotic Drive in accelerating, braking, and steering. According to your settings, the system adapts your driving speed automatically and regulates your distance to vehicles ahead. It can also assist in actively keeping you in the lane and adjust your speed to the driving situation. For a general setup of your assisted driving, go to the My Vehicle menu and select Assistance, Assisted Driving. Under Steering Assistant, you can configure whether the system actively keeps you in the lane. Under Distance Control, you can configure situational distance control and your preferred distance to the vehicle in front of you. Situational distance control can adapt your preferred distance to the current driving and traffic situation. For example, slightly increased distance in bad weather conditions. You can also choose assisted driving to avoid overtaking on the right, and if you want to be able to apply the brake pedal without deactivating assisted driving. The setting enables slight braking maneuvers with the BMW Symbiotic Drive without deactivating the assisted driving function. However, assisted driving still deactivates when the brake pedal is applied strongly. Here's how to interact with the system while driving. The assisted driving button glows white when the system is ready and preconditions are met. Press it to activate assisted driving with your adjusted settings. The system now regulates your driving speed and distance to the vehicle in front of you, according to your settings, and actively keeps the lane. Based on factors like speed, road type, and available data, the system always applies the best speed, distance, and steering assistance. In the Assisted Driving menu under Speed Limit Assist, you can choose to take over speed limits for the assisted driving automatically or manually, and adjust the exact driving speed according to the speed limit. To adapt manually, when the speed limit info in the driver display shows a new limit, press the OK steering wheel button. Additionally, under Route and Junction Assistant, you can adjust automatic speed adjustment in different situations, for example when driving through curves, corners, or roundabouts. With the plus and minus buttons, you can adjust the speed manually. Lightly pressing, it adjusts the speed by 1 km/h. Pressing the buttons with more force adjusts the speed by 10 km/h. Press the assisted driving button again to switch off the assisted driving. You can activate it again with the last saved speed regulation setting by pressing the white glowing button. Enjoy easy driving and continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.
That feature blew your mind, huh? But wait till you see what else your BMW can do. Choose one of these videos and I'll show you more. But they're still choosing the next video.